This rough opal piece weighs 46.95 carats and measures 33 millimeters across. It has several colour bars in it. You can see that how this colour bar on the top is going to face, and it goes into around about there. So you've got a decent stone on top, and below you've also got a very strong colour bar going right around all the way, the whole way, right around at the back again, coming to the front wherever it is. And you can see on the edge how much red shows up in that piece. So it's 46, nearly 47 carats now. So cutting a stone out of it, if you get 10 carats or 15 carats, it's going to be a very nice big large stone. And if you're good enough, you'll be able to slice that stone off the top or make it a double-sided stone facing it that way on the back.